Alright, let's try this. I heard there's a challenge that, gotta use cinnamon and a spoonful. I heard it's like virtually impossible. So, your boy Fridge is gonna try it. Follow me on Twitter, DAFridge71. Holla. Alright, now let's get to the challenge. Um, I heard nobody could do this, so I'm gonna try it for the fun of it because I'm bored. And it's only 8:05 and all that. So, yeah. Got my, hold on a second. Alright, if y'all can see this, I'm gonna try that. Alright, ready? Bottoms up. Oh man. Oh, this is hot. Ah. Told you I could do it. Easy. No, I'm lying. It wasn't easy. It like once you start like chewing it, like it gets like starts building up. So it's like it's horrible and it's a horrible taste. But I gotta go. I gotta go wash my mouth out. Holla at y'all later. Follow me on Twitter, DAFridge71. Facebook, you already know. YouTube, holla one.